Out of nowhere, Microsoft just announced something that sounds impossible. A new quantum chip called Majorana 1, and they claim it's built on an entirely new state of matter. Not solid, liquid, gas, or plasma. We're talking about a topological supercomputer. If it's real, and that's a big IF, it could be as revolutionary as the transistor. But if it's another Microsoft kin situation, well, brace yourself. So what makes this different from every other quantum chip that barely works? Right now, quantum computers are, let's be honest, kind of useless. They're unstable, they overheat, they're expensive, and they can't even run Minesweeper. But Microsoft says this chip could scale up to millions of qubits, stable ones. That would make it billions of times more powerful than anything we have today. We're talking new medicines, AI simulations, and maybe even real-time Windows updates. Here's where the science gets crazy. The Majorana 1 chip is built using something called a Majorana fermion, a particle that is its own antiparticle. Unlike electrons, which have positrons as opposites, Majoranas are symmetrical, like looking in a mirror and seeing yourself, but quantum. This weird symmetry makes them resistant to decoherence, which is the #1 problem in quantum computing. Right now, qubits fall apart like a sandcastle in a tsunami. Majorana qubits, they might actually stay stable. The chip uses atomically engineered nanowires to trap these particles at both ends. When you braid and fuse them, yes, braid like quantum friendship bracelets, you perform quantum operations. It all happens on something called a topoconductor, a hybrid of semiconductors and superconductors. Microsoft claims you can chain these together to build scalable and error-resistant quantum chips. Cool, right? Only catch? It still needs to run at near absolute zero, so not exactly laptop-friendly yet. So how does Microsoft compare to the other quantum giants? Google recently dropped its Willow chip, and IBM is running their own quantum marathon. But Microsoft's playing the long game. They're the only major player betting on topological quantum computing. Back in 2018, they claimed to detect Majoranas, then retracted the paper. Today, they say not only can they observe them, they can control them. If true, that's a jump from maybe real to engineering breakthrough. If this actually works, it'll change everything for developers. We'd need to rewrite software from the ground up, optimized for quantum logic, new languages, new architectures, new debugging nightmares. So, is the Majorana 1 chip real quantum magic? Or another Microsoft prototype we'll never hear about again? Too early to tell, but if they pull this off, quantum computing might arrive in years, not decades. And as devs, we better be ready for it. Thanks for watching the Code Report. If you liked this video, hit the like button, subscribe, and let me know in the comments. Would you rewrite your code for a quantum future? Catch you in the next one. Peace.